I ask random people about their dream travel destination or a place they would always revisit. And you know what? The most common answer was Bali, Indonesia. I'm guessing you are here for the same reason because you are one of us. Now, for you who is planning your trip or still deciding, this video is definitely for you. Today, we feature this paradise, and if you are ready, we are ready. So, let's go! By the way, if you're new to our baby channel, we are the Journey Kings, your passport to adventure. Always ready to inspire you on your travel dreams, like what we aim to do for today's video. Fun fact, our first travel together took place in Bali over 5 years ago, and it was there at Conrad that we got our initial two travel monkeys, making Bali particularly special and meaningful to us. Bali. This island stands as a prominent destination for global tourists. Famous for its rich culture and its heritage, stunning beaches, a plethora of accommodations ranging from luxurious five-star hotels to diverse resorts, all contributing to its status as a paradise for complete relaxation. The region also boasts a vibrant array of local cuisines exuding rich flavors. Moreover, the warm and inviting nature of its residents undeniably enhances the experience, making it a meeting point with some of the most hospitable and friendly individuals you will encounter. Bali boasts renowned tourist destinations across various regions, each with its own unique charm for visitors to enjoy. Among the standout locations, Kuta, which stands out for its vibrant nightlife, shopping, and entertainment scene. Kuta Beach attracts surfers and sunbathers alike, while the streets are adorned with an array of shops, restaurants, bars, and clubs. Moving on, Seminyak. This place offers an elevated and contemporary ambience neighboring Kuta. This area is celebrated for its upscale boutiques, trendy eateries, resorts, and fashionable beach clubs. In the same vein, we have Ubud, serves as the cultural center of Bali, encircled by green rice terraces and rainforests. Its reputation is built upon an enriching art scene, traditional crafts, yoga and wellness retreats, and the cherished Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, a place dear to us as represented in our logo. The list continues with numerous other regions awaiting exploration. This time, our journey leads us to the captivating beauty of Nusa Dua, a realm of magnificent resorts renowned for immaculate beaches, exclusive hotel accommodations, and world-class golf courses. It provides a charming sanctuary for those seeking a serene and sophisticated vacation experience. Also, there is definitely no shortage of things to do and see in the area. As mentioned that Nusa Dua is established for its beautiful beaches, give it a place perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. And if you are looking for a cultural experience, visit the nearby Uluwatu Temple or explore the vibrant local markets. And for the adventurous souls out there, Bali's famous surf breaks are just a short drive away. And today, we are here to showcase the enchanting and marvelous Amartera Villas Resort. Ready to embark on full review of this luxurious tropical paradise. By the end of this video, I assure you will have a firm decision of your travel plan in Bali. Let's start with a little background information. Amartera Villas Resort is a hidden gem located in the heart of Nusa Dua, Bali. This resort is just a short 20-minute drive from Ngurah Rai International Airport, making it incredibly convenient for travelers. For the loyalty membership holders, this resort holds a rich history and was formerly part of the prestigious M Gallery collection. Today, it's managed by Marriott Bonvoy, ensuring the highest standards of hospitality and service. Now let's dive into our villa experience. We had the pleasure of staying in one of their fabulous one-bedroom villa. And let me tell you, it was an absolute paradise. Upon stepping into your villa, you are welcomed by a serene beauty. The interior showcases an open concept living and dining space, promoting a smooth and uninterrupted transition between areas. This design instantly produces a sense of calmness and relaxation. Natural sunlight fills the surroundings, while the greenery surrounding the villa maintains a refreshing and cool ambience. And the highlight of this villa has to be the private pool. Yes, it's enormous and always inviting. And it's private. It's all yours. This is your living area, exuding authentic Bali vibes. The design seamlessly integrates Balinese cultural elements, allowing you to experience local living with a touch of luxury. The carefully chosen furnishings and color palette perfectly complement each other. For your entertainment needs, a smart TV is thoughtfully provided as well. I want to mention about the perks and services that come with staying at Amatera Villas Resort. We were treated to a range of benefits. Firstly, the minibar in our villas was filled with complimentary refreshment replenished every day, ensuring you stay hydrated and refreshed throughout your stay. In addition to the minibar, our Accor Platinum membership also granted us welcome drinks of our choice, free Wi-Fi, early check-in, late check-out, and the ultimate highlight, always our favorite perks, free breakfast. Trust me when I say that the breakfast here is absolutely amazing. The restaurant offers a wide array of choices, and the cozy atmosphere combined with an awesome view makes for a memorable start to your day. Once more, we present the pool area, replete with complete pool beds and a cozy resting space. You'll have a hard time leaving this oasis of calm and relaxation, really. And that's not all. The pool is right in front of the bedroom glass door, offering an incredible view. Who wouldn't desire to wake up and start their day with such an incredible view? Step into your bedroom, a space that leaves me nearly speechless in its description. It's a stunning, expansive area that displays relaxation and romance, creating an anticipation for a night of truly restful sleep. Adjacent to the bedroom, a compact office or workspace awaits. Displaying the same incredible outdoor and pool views, this spot is ideal for those aiming to tackle work tasks and appreciate the surrounding scenery. We receive a delightful assortment of local treats that reminded me so much of home. Similar delicacies in the Philippines have always been delight, featuring undeniable flavor. Naturally fresh fruits are also included, accompanied by a local wine. And let's not forget about the huge walk-in closet, featuring sleepers and a Balinese design robe, a touch of luxury that adds to the overall experience. It also provides ample storage and a secure safe deposit box. Let us now proceed to the bathroom. It's truly a retreat of relaxation. The huge toilet and inviting bathtub provides the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of exploring the island. The bathroom area is generously sized, featuring a large mirror and inclusive amenities. It's worth noting that these were all provided by M Gallery previously, though it's likely that the amenities have now transitioned to the new brand under Marriott Monvoy. And for those who prefer a refreshing shower, take note there are both indoor and outdoor shower areas, allowing you to connect with nature while maintaining your privacy. And because why not? One downside of the property is the presence of mosquitoes, but the hotel staff promptly assisted us in eliminating them. Another issue is that the water pressure for showering and toilet usage is quite weak. We couldn't help but wonder how Marriott Monvoy would match these offers. As Gold member of Marriott Monvoy, we are excited for our next visit to Amatera Villas Resort to see what additional perks and experiences awaits us. And if you are watching and you are a member of Marriott Bonvoy, this is a sign for you to go. And those who are not, you can easily sign up from their website, which is written in the description below. In addition to the amazing villa and exceptional service, the resort offers a range of facilities to enhance your stay. The gym is well equipped for those who like to stay active during their vacation. There's a beautiful pool where you can take a refreshing dip and soak up the sun. And let's not forget the lush green surroundings that create a serene and relaxing atmosphere throughout the property. Now, you might be waiting for this. Where is the beach? Do they have a beach? Is there a beach around the area? Here you go. The resort is just a short 10 to 12 minutes walking distance from the beach. And guess what? They have their own private beach area with comfortable day beds. The beach itself is a true paradise. Pristine white sands, crystal clear waters, and a sense of peace that's hard to find elsewhere. We love that it wasn't crowded, allowing us to fully relax and enjoy the beauty of Bali's coastline. And one thing that truly stood out during our stay was the extraordinary service provided by the staff. The people of Bali are known for their warm hospitality, and it was evident in every interaction we had. From the moment we arrived until the day we left, the staffs went above and beyond to ensure our comfort and satisfaction. Their genuine kindness and attention to detail truly made our stay unforgettable. Amartera Villas Resort offers various packages to enhance your stay. There are a range of activities and experience on a reasonable price. We took advantage of the package that includes island day trip, which allowed us to explore the beauty of Bali's surrounding islands. Also included an indulging couple's full body massage in the comfort of your own villa, which was incredibly relaxing. And to top of it off, a romantic dinner experience that exceeded all of our expectations. We had an incredibly special moment during this night. The resort provided the perfect setting for this significant occasion, and we will forever cherish the memories created here. While our desire was to fully indulge in the resort's offerings, we couldn't resist the opportunity to venture out and discover the enchanting charm of Bali, of course. Our explorations led us to nearby temples, where we paid respect to the region's profound culture. A visit to the monkey forest allowed us to interact with the charming monkeys, and we stumbled upon a captivating nature spot featuring a scenic waterfall. To cap off our last day, we relished in a delightful evening with a sumptuous dinner, refreshing cocktails, enjoying good music, and the mesmerizing sunset at a fabulous area at Single-Fin, which is a great recommendation to tourists visiting the area. In summary, Bali has truly captured our hearts, and Amartera Villas Resort has played a significant role in making our experience extra special. The beauty of this island, the warmth of its people, and the luxurious accommodations have made it a place we will always hold dear. We can't wait to return and explore more of Bali's beautiful places. And that's it, folks, your virtual vacation with us. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through Amartera Villas Resort Bali Nusa Dua. If you want to know more about the property, we're going to add the link and the information from the description below. We hope you enjoyed this detailed review and that it inspires you to plan your own unforgettable stay at this tropical paradise. Remember, travel is about creating memories that last a lifetime. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. Again, we are the Journey Kings, your passport to adventure. And always remember, work hard and travel harder. Until next time, happy travels. Bye!